Good morning. As you can see, I've got the grammar quiz in front of me, and I decided I'm going to go through the questions with you so that if you don't have an adult or someone to assist you when you do the quiz, you can do it all by yourself. I think you guys are big enough to be able to do it. Now, first of all, question number 1 says circle the correct answer. And then I will ask you, a group of dolphins is called a. Then I give you 3 choices. Now we call these questions multiple choices again. That means I give you 3 possible answers and you just circle the one that you think is the correct one. You can either circle the letter, remember you're only going to circle one. You can either circle the letter or you can circle the word, which one is the correct answer. There should only be one answer. Number 1.2, a group of soccer players is called a team, troop or game. Pick one and circle it. A group of crows is called a mob, murder or mass. Just circle one of them. A group of jellyfish is called a swarm, army or smack, and just circle one of them. Aren't they just cute? Number 1.5, a group of flowers is called a garden, a bouquet or a bunch. So only one of them. Now when we get to number 2, we're done with that type of answering. Now you write your own answer. We gave you the collective noun and you have to give us the noun. A deck of, a class of, an embarrassment of, a pride of. So every time you have to give us that answer. Okay, second page. Write one preposition. Now remember, prepositions is where you are, the position you are with something, in front, behind, next to, in, on, at, up, all those that we did. Okay, but you have to write one preposition that can complete both sentences. So it's one preposition that you write in the block, not on the lines, but that one should fit both of those sentences. Immediately if you pick one and it doesn't fit, then you know, wait a minute, it's wrong. Okay, put the knives and forks, the table. The sun shone, the mountain. The same one, and you only write it once in the block. I'm not going to read these sentences, you do it at the same time. Read the sentences, find one preposition that will fit in both sentences. If you go to question number 3, complete each sentence by choosing the correct pronoun. Pronoun means in the place of the noun. In the place of Ian, I will say he, or him, or his, depend on what it is in the sentence. So Paulus took him or his dog for a walk. Choose the correct one. You can either circle the one that's correct or underline the one that's correct, as long as we can see which one you indicate. Louis read he or his book. Precious and Esther will drive in their or our own car. When he felt hungry, Leto would get someone or something to eat. Okay. Then number 4. Which question is answered by adverb or phrase underlined in each sentence? Now remember, when we did adverbs, we told you that to find the adverb in a sentence, first find the verb. Like if we have a sentence, the dog chases the cat. Then you ask yourself, when did the dog chases the cat? Okay, let me change the sentence. The dog chases the cat daily. That will answer the question when. When is he chasing the cat? Daily. If I say the cat chases the dog in the garden, where did the cat chase the dog? The cat chased the dog jealously, hungrily. Why? Because he was hungry. Okay, that doesn't really make sense, but just for the example's sake. So sometimes we buy an ice cream after school. So ask yourself, when do we buy the ice cream? Do you get an answer? Or where do we buy the ice cream? Or why do we buy the ice cream? So when you get an answer on one of those questions, that is the adverb. That is the adverb that you're going to write here. Don't write the adverb, write which one of those three questions you asked. A police officer was standing nearby. When was he standing? Where was he standing? Or why was he standing? Children were running around everywhere. When were they running? Where were they running? Why were they running? Okay, I think you get the idea. Then number 5 on the 3rd page, observe means look at the sentence below and answer the questions. Abigail fondly kisses Abigail's dog on the head. Abigail loves Abigail's dog dearly. We don't talk that way, okay? We're going to replace some of the Abigail names with a pronoun. So rewrite, that means start from there, stop there, and use pronouns to avoid repetition. So in the place of Abigail, you're going to put something else, but it is still going to make sense. B, there are 2 verbs doing words in the sentence. What are they? Number C, and you write them on the lines. Circle the adverbs, the ones that's describing the verbs. Now there you found the verb. Now, which words describe how that doing word is being done? Okay, and you circle that word. You don't write it down here. You find it and you circle it. Underline the prepositions. Prepositions, so find them and underline them. Number 6, complete these sentences adding the correct form of the adjective. That means the adjective is there, but the way that it's put there is not going to work. So if you went through the grammar work this week properly, this will immediately make sense. Ujesi is the boy in our class by using tall. You're not going to say Ujesi is the tall boy in our class. You're going to change the word tall a little bit. Hunter runs than Jonah, but Silva runs fast. So fast, you need to use both places, but they will be in a different form. I see there's a little typing mistake. Number 4, my teacher is then your teacher. Beautiful. Remember what we said about those long words. Number 7, write the sentence in the past tense and fix what is wrong or missing. Now, if you look at the sentence, Ihalu jumps for joy when she sees her new toy. So start at the front, rewrite the whole sentence, but change the words, or I don't want to give away anything. Things that you see in this sentence that's not correct. Okay, think carefully, write neatly, and do your best.